Not me, dear, not me. Food for this. I bought some fried chicken this I went fried last night. America. Well, I won't be cooking tomorrow, that's one thing I know. I will not be. And there's still some ackee sauce I just fried this morning with dumpling. Yeah. Come talk about she cut out the seed them out of the tomato just like how you said to do, Daddy. When you see her father, you know, you saw she don't want to come in the camera and she act brand new, we don't know. And when her father in the day, she open the camera. Fake. She put on one piece of she see the daddy. What piece? Watch out now. Cut out. Look, come see the seed them. Cut out all of the seed them out of the tomato. Watch out now. Cut out all of this. Cut out the tomato them and cut out all of the seed them. Gabby for you. Can't believe that Gabby that here. Daddy, your master, I'm not supposed to eat the tomato seeds. I cut out all of them. But when me they, you know, cut out the tomato seed. Gabby has something else here.
Come on.
Gabby, no bother with no lettuce now. Gabby, dinner school ready. We make some coffee. I can't pick on you. Tell her, no, man. Gabby's not going to eat the dinner, no. And you see the dinner is almost done. You don't put the rice up, piece. You're not going to eat the dinner. Make you waste so much food, man. Let me keep me see, man. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to do the shrimp and the fish. I wonder why it takes so long to focus. Yep, so here's the shrimp now. And then he has the shrimp and the fish. Let me cut back a little bit more because sometimes the heat make it kind of a little bit foggy. Chicken, shrimp, and fish. So I'm not eat my dinner till 8 o'clock, guys, because we don't want no food. Meat, ackee, and fish, and dumpling this anyway make. We not eat no food till 8 o'clock tonight. Not.